Most professionals still spend their day doing this, writing emails, taking meeting notes, creating reports, building presentations. But some employees are quietly using AI to automate all of it. Today, I will show you the exact AI workflow that can save working professionals more than 10 hours every week. The problem isn't that people work hard. The problem is they spend too much time on repetitive work. And repetitive work is exactly what AI is becoming good at. Tool number 1 is Otter AI. Instead of manually taking meeting notes, Otter automatically records and transcribes conversations. It creates summaries, action items, and transcripts automatically. Tool number 2 is Notion AI. Most professionals have notes everywhere. Notion AI turns messy notes into structured documentation in seconds. Tool number 3 is Perplexity. Think of it as Google with an AI brain. Instead of opening 20 tabs, it gives you summarized answers with sources. But here where most people get it wrong.
Most people use AI wrong.
Tool number 4 is Gamma. Paste a few bullet points and Gamma builds an entire presentation for you. This alone can save hours every month. Tool number 5 is Make.com. This is my favorite. This is where automation becomes serious. You can connect apps and automate repetitive tasks without writing any code. The biggest productivity gains don't come from using one AI tool. They come from connecting them together. Imagine this. Otter records your meeting, Notion organizes the notes, Perplexity performs research, Gamma creates the presentation, Make automates the workflow. That's how professionals save 10 plus hours every week. If you want my complete AI workflow guide, comment workflow below. And if you are a working professional who wants to work smarter with AI and automation, subscribe to Work Smart Tech.